Hi guys, welcome back. Please take your time, subscribe, share this video. This is a Chrysler Town and Country, and what we're gonna replace is this valve right here, the EG valve right here, this one. So we're gonna take it out and replace it. We got the new one right here, and I'm gonna show you what you need to replace it. The EG valve right there. And how we change it, we're gonna take this 2 screws from here, and then you got on the side, because let me show you how this goes. Sorry, just a minute. I'm gonna show you how this valve. Okay, this goes like this, laying down like this over there. There's 2 screws, one right here and one right here. So we're gonna take those screws out, and then this part right here connects down there to this, and then when we take it out, we take that piece out. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pause, take a couple of minutes, post this video, and stop this video for now, and I'm gonna go in there and change it, and then I'll show you. So what I did is I took out the 2 screws that connect the EGR to the engine here, and these 2 screws. So now this is kind of loose. Now we can bring this out, but first we need to take out this screw right here, and then we can take the EGR valve and put a new one. And this is a Chrysler Town and Country 2008, and this is a engine 3.3 liters V6. And I'm gonna take that screw, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. Now this is the EG valve connected to this piece. This is the piece, wow, this is very old. That's why it was giving me problem. So this is the piece right there that I was telling you is harder to connect while it's in there, because it's positioned like this. So it's very hard to get the screws in the back. So now I will take these out and show you the thing. And look how dirty that is. Wow, that's very dirty. So that's the EG valve. We're gonna change it. We're gonna replace it. I think it was overdue. It needed a new one. So yes, this is the old one, and I already took out the 2 screws that goes right, let me see, over here. And yes, you can see inside this is not working. It was not working. So yes, the check engine was on. When I put the tester, it says the EGR valve was wrong, and this is not working, so I got a new one. That's the old one, and this is right here, the new one. And now you just connect this piece right here to this one right here, put the gasket that it brings and the screw, and same thing, and just go over and put the same thing over there. So yes, that's what I did so far. Sorry that I can't show you everything like step by step how to do it, because I only got one hand and I got my phone recording. Thank you. Please subscribe. Yes, you can do it. You can do it yourself. Thank you. Until next time, this is your host, Stevie.